This is a new video that a friend on Facebook sent me this morning from Mike Bickle's sister, Lisa Stribling. Let me read the promo here for you because it's unbelievable. Tonight, join Lisa and James for episode 2. More accurate prophecies exposing Julie Roy's Alan Hood, Julie Meyer, Michael Sullivan, Blaise Foray, and other false accusers of Mike Bickle, IHOP KC. The Spirit is showing us that healing and breakthrough is happening as we expose the demonic agenda that has assailed the bride. These people are truly delusional. Truly delusional. I said this before. If Mike Bickle had been brought to justice years ago when he was grooming a 14-year-old girl and doing things to her that he shouldn't have been doing, he would have had to register as a sex offender, and he would never have been allowed to be a pastor or to be around children. That didn't happen. But mark my words, God is a righteous judge, and he will continue to judge this situation. I'm going to post the link here to this video so you can see it yourself. It was done on August 27th. Unbelievable.